BLU Vivo 5 mini, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the BLU settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's use the apps icon right here. Then you need to scroll down to choose settings. From the following options, let's scroll down again, and here you need to find and select backup and reset. It's located under the personal tab. Let's scroll down, choose backup and reset, scroll down again, choose factory data reset. So this will erase all your data from your phone's internal storage. If you are aware of this, let's tap reset phone, and to begin the whole operation, tap erase everything. So right now the device is performing the hard reset. Let's wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you might start activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.